realities illuminating tomorrow's path aligns deeply with a belief that dream drives progress, inspire innovation, and shape brighter tomorrow. Pathfinders among us. At Auxilium Girls' School, our vision is to nurture students into individuals of integrity.
Thank you, sister, for
मेरे और मेरे काम के बीच जो भी आएगा उसका असर यही होगा। सर धड़ से अलग किया जाएगा।
तूने एक माँ से उसके बच्चे को अलग
into that heaven of freedom, my father, let my country awake.
People are the ones who make me like this. They are the reason why I have become what I am today. And now they are paying the price for it. I haven't always been an evil. Mankind and the distorted ways of living have made me the way I am today. Now have a look at how I had been earlier.
सोच रहे होंगे कि मैं कौन हूं। मैं खुश हूं और मुझे और खुशी चाहिए 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 खुशी चाहिए चाहिए।
रुक जा,
मैं नहीं रुकूंगा।
मत कर,
मैं करूंगा।
काश तू समझ सकता, काश।
दुनिया काश में जीती है और हम कश में।
He was not expecting such emotional violence in such a tough time. Many passers-by were standing and also taking video of this nuisance. Nobody came to defend Zoya or stop and threaten Zoya that her father will take care of this.
All these wars, all these cries, they make me more powerful. I am violence, the poison that kills humanity.
I am injustice, the power which can turn day to night. I create difference between people. I divide, I rule.
Throughout heaven and earth, I alone am the honored.
That envy in each other's eyes, that lack of warmth and understanding. Me, I am the reason. I am hate.
Of this kind for our children. So the children are actually living a dream of our generation. And the school is helping them by putting wings to further their own dreams. Lot of messages that we saw here today during the performances of fighting against drug abuse, of the challenges of corruption, other evils of the society. This has already been given to us, so I will not be repeating those. What I would like to say here is to the children, one day our life will come to an end, and there will be a story of ours in this world, whether written or not written. And we all would want to be the hero of our own story. I would not want to be part of a story of my own where the hero is someone else. So when I complete my life, and for my story, I would want to be my own hero. So if that would be my aim, I would do things that would be right to me, right to my parents, right to my teachers, which would mean that whatever is told to us by our teachers, by our parents, by our elders, we have to listen, so that in future we do not become the villain of our own story. We should be the hero of our own story.
Friends, this was a super performance.
Yes, we are one.
And inspired us.
May I now express my gratitude to all the other dignitaries and special invitees who have made this day happy through their presence.